Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Now I'm gonna make something nice illustration from this. I tried to make it. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and just turn this one off to keep it. Then I'm gonna smudge on this layer first. Oh well, I'm gonna make canvas size bigger first. Okay, go back. Now before I duplicate this image, I'm gonna make this canvas size bigger. First of all, use rectangle, then copy paste. So we're gonna have this image. Then I'm gonna choose this image, then make it bigger to outside. Oops. No, freeform, then go side, then merge down. Okay, one more. Okay, again rectangle. I'm gonna copy paste, so we're gonna get same thing again. Now select here freeform to go side. Okay, it's done. Now merge down. Okay, we have canvas size big. Then I'm gonna duplicate. Now we have two same images, and just one base. Turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna work on here. Now I'm gonna, well, pretty easy to just make smudge with the evolve. Alright, almost done for smudging. Now we have plain background, and also out of focus, nice gradation background. Now I want to check this pencil drawing type image, this one, to turn on, and let me change. Well, before I change this, I'm the same way. I want to make it bigger canvas size. So rectangle to select this area. Now again, copy paste, freedom to go outside. Leave that block lines I may use later, so I'm gonna keep this block lines. This one, just leave it there. Then merge down. Now the other side. Again, select, copy paste, freedom, side. Well, this side, I don't think I can get this block lines, so just to touch, leave it here. Okay, then merge down. I'm gonna change. Let's see that different mode. color burn, linear burn. Overlay is nice. Yeah, I like this too. Well, maybe multiply. Then I'm gonna copy this. Let's see, duplicate. Then turn this one just off. Now I got this image. Well, this is now pencil drawing type image. Multiply 75%. Darker. Well, maybe go up to max, huh? Pencil drawing type. Then I have smudged the image. Two of them. One is vivid light. Oops, what this? I think when I move this, I just draw this. So I'm gonna, well, this is a normal 36%. So I'm gonna delete this. Let's see. I have this. It's vivid max, right? Now go back to normal. Does show. Oops. Oh, that's the way I did it. Okay. I'm gonna just go back. And I guess I made this one too. Same way, huh? Okay, I'm gonna just this one. This is normal 36. So I'm gonna delete this. Then I'm gonna duplicate this later. Layer. Then normal to vivid. Vivid light max. Then this one is normal opacity down to about 40%. Then this pencil drawing type image, multiply max, shows, oops, I don't want to touch again. Well, goes like this kind of illustration image. Now I'm going to make mask. Okay, let's see, make a mask. Let's see on this vivid light first. Okay, I'm gonna make mask on this vivid, blend mode vivid max. Okay, I'm gonna change name first. Now change name, rename, vivid max, smudge the image, max. Then this one is normal 40%. So rename, okay. Then this is pencil drawing. Line multiply. Okay, now I'm gonna make mask on this vivid max. Okay, make mask. Now input mask. We see the image, so we're gonna reveal this mask with brush texture is, well, I'm gonna go same evolve. Smudged brush, smudge tool. I use this evolve texture. Right now I'm gonna reveal mask with same evolve. Okay, well, can we? I don't think we can make mask, huh? A copy mask. No, I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna take blue this here. So I'm gonna change this. Okay, I got it. Now, normal 40. Okay, I made mask here, right? Okay, I'm gonna copy this, duplicate. Then I'm going to change this normal 40%. Then I'm going to delete this. Just copy the name, delete this, then change name. Normal 40 is 41. Normal 40. Now same mask, right? Alright. But I want this mask to be just a different way. I want to change this mask. Interesting. Reddish hair. Well, go for change. Review this mask. Which is this one then? Not much on this Vivid Max. Maybe if I turn this off, that's fine. In this case, well, forget about this mask here on Vivid Max. Then I'm gonna change this. Well, clear mask. You got mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this again. Then, well, delete this mask on Vivid Max, Only reveal this. Okay. Now I'm gonna add background. I'm gonna add layer here. Then I'm gonna pick from her dress. Then change to saturation, a little bit lighter. Won't show much. Only her dress. So I'm gonna move this, go all the way. That's interesting too. Okay. Now we're gonna have different idea. Okay, this is interesting. I'm gonna clear this. Then I like this. I think, okay, just to reveal and show her face. Okay. Yeah, I kind of like this. I can change to orange also. I'm gonna keep this one as a 1. Then, okay, I'm gonna keep this just 1. I open it up. We have these layers. I copy this. I saved this already. So now I'm gonna merge down, then change this color, hue saturation to, well, change to reddish, like her hair color. Then opacity, saturation, go up. Then brightness, go up so it goes shadow color. Turn down. Yeah, I kind of like this. Alright, now done. This is the second image. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.